In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 19 of exercise 1.1. And question we have 1 over 3 into x minus 5 positive 4, which is equal to 1 over 6 into 2 minus 3x plus 1. See, again we have fraction. So if we have a fraction, first thing is we have to eliminate the fraction. I will write down question one more time here, because at the end we will see the question. Okay, 1 over 6 into 2 neg minus 3x positive 1. So how we can eliminate this denominator 3 and 6? Because we have to remove the fractions, we have to multiply each and every term. So see, there are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4 by 6, right? By 6. Why 6? Why we are not multiplying with 3? So see, we have to pick a number which is divisible by all the denominators, completely divisible by. See, 6 one time, see 6 one time. Here 3 one time, 3 two time. If we multiply by 3, so here is okay, 3 one time, 3 one time. But here again 3 one time, 3 two times. Then we can again have 2 here. Right? So we have to pick a number. If you will multiply 6 3 times 18, multiply by 18, that is also fine. But pick a number which is divisible by all the denominators. Right? Here we do not have any denominator, it means 1. Here we do not have anyone, it means 1. Now we will simplify. 3 one time, 3 two times 6. Same thing here, 6 one time, 6 one time. Whatever remaining here, 2. So I will write down like this: 2 into x minus 5 plus 24, 6 4 times 24, which is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 6. Now we will simplify it, right? Multiply, because this 2 is in front of this parenthesis, x minus 5. So multiply 2x negative 10 plus 24, which is equal to 2 minus 3x positive 6. So just this x will remains the same on the left hand side. We have these two constant, we can take to the other side, and this is the negative 3x. We can bring this, it will be positive. So here is only positive 6 remaining. This is positive 10, negative 24. So 2 and 3, which is equal to positive 5x, which is equal to 16 negative 24. So this is 5x is equal to negative 8, right? So we have to remove this 5 divided by both sides. So x is equal to negative 8 over 5, which is a linear equation, right? Because we have a value of x. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.